Meet again with me, Hisna Nasith Fikria. Okay, another video, another knowledge video. Okay, here I would like to discuss how to teach young learners or elementary school so they don't get bored easily. Okay, because as we know, of English for young learners is still new, or they don't know, and they unfamiliar about this subject. So we have to anticipate this, that they will excited with our class. They don't get bored easily, they don't get lazy. So we have to be creative, especially for young learners, because as we know, young learners, we have to approach them, need more extra to teach, and we have to make students comfortable. And for young learners, usually we teach about alphabet. Yes, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Maybe for one grade or two, or a second grade. I mean, for the grade 2 in elementary school. So after that, after the grade, like maybe about 5 or 4, 5, 3 grade, they familiar about alphabet. So we have to give them more understanding about alphabet, like spelling. So during introductory English, we approach them with alphabet and then spelling. After that, we give them some words, some sentences to spelling. So here, I would like to give example like local culture. So before we start deeply about spelling, about the material, like especially the vocabulary in young learners, we are icebreaking first as teacher, and then I would like to give local culture. We can start the alphabet using our alphabet using a local culture with spelling, like me, for the example. Okay, students, please repeat after me. Mention. Okay, for the first, I mention local culture from Indonesia. You just spelling from the city. The original from the local culture itself. Like, okay, I would like to mention Tari Saman. Tari Saman from. I would like give the students to answer. Okay, please spelling. Where is from Tari Saman? Okay, Tari Saman from A, C, E, H. So we can say Aceh. Okay, let's repeat again. A-C-E-H. A-C-E-H, Aceh. Okay, another example like Borobudur Temple from Magelang. Can you spelling Magelang in English? Okay, please. M-A-G-E-L-A-N-G. What? Okay, they can repeat. So they will, they will make their brain to remember the word by word or alphabet by alphabet. So they want to answer and they give all their memories to answer it, so the students will not bored. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your best attention, my audience, and sorry if I have mistaken. Maybe this is I don't know. Maybe I have a mistaken from my previous videos and for this video. Okay, I'm Hisna Nasith Fikria, and bye bye. Please always healthy and okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.